Here is a couple of pictures that we've had over time of the progression of the project. You can see the beginning. This here is getting the concrete slabs poured. That is the first floor, and that is the sheathing, and now you'll see the house as it is now. I started to work on the big project again, finishing for now over at that little kitchen project. So it's kind of nice to be back here again, and Mitch has been working here for about a month and a half without me. And let's go take a look at some of the progress Mitch has made. Now, one of the reasons that I took off to work at the kitchen project is because we were doing, we had a crew in here doing insulation and sheetrock. Neither of us really wanted to do insulation or sheetrock, and it just made sense to have a crew come in here and do it. So the crew did a nice job, got everything all set up. Here's the main stack for the plumbing. And this is under the stairway, obviously. This is the two-bay garage. And you can see how tight it is here with the track is right flush with the wallboard in the ceiling. Let's use the entryway. We're going to tile the floor in here, and these stairs are going to be carpet. This is going to be the new family kitchen room, great room. We've got ceiling fan light combination is going to go up there, and we've got can lights over on each side of the room. So this wall here is going to come out here next week, and that will open up into the existing house. So we're looking forward to doing that. That's kind of the whole reason for doing this project, to merge the two houses together. And this is the big beam that is going up there under all our trim. This is our Durock that we're going to be using to underlay the tile here in the laundry room. There's the attic access. There's a furnace up in the attic, if you recall. And this is kind of a cool feature here. It is a built-in ironing board. And has its own light and outlet. So pretty cool. And it's on a timer, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And it looks like we're still in motion on sink for the laundry here, but it might be a kind of an industrial janitorial sink. We'll see what happens. It's still in motion. But there's the little washer, and next to it is the dryer. There you can see the view. Well, it's a little bit washed, but there is, here's the sound out there. Nice view. Stairway down. This is the guest bath, or just powder room, I guess you call it. This is going to get an oak floor in here. And this is the master bedroom. Has a couple of closets over there. Nice big French doors with side lights here. Then we have the toilet is over there. And this is the shower, and it'll have glass doors here. It'll have a glass panel going up to the ceiling and covering that, and then a glass door for the opening. Shower controls here, hand spray there, and the overhead spray there. And here is a bench that you can sit and use the hand spray from. So we still waiting to get the tile for this, but this here is a custom concrete shower base. And unfortunately, I just didn't get around to making a video on this. But we're going to put Durock down in here for the underlayment of the tile. Then I believe that the bedroom is going to be carpet. I'm not 100% sure on that. So there you go. That is the update on the big house project, and we'll be back full swing on this Monday. Okay, well, thanks for watching the video, and hope you saw something you like. And we will see you on the next video. And do not forget to subscribe. We're going to do a time-lapse video here showing you how to install Durock cement board, quarter-inch cement board. And we are going to spread thin-set latex mortar over the plywood subfloor. And we're using a 3/8" notched trowel with a 1/4" lift on it. And the panels are 3 foot by 5 foot, and then we cut a 22 1/4" piece at the end to complete each row. So while Mitch is spreading mortar, I'm going to be cutting the pieces that we need to complete each row. Now, after this second piece here, I'm going to lay down in a second, Mitch will continue spreading mortar and setting the Durock sheets down, and I'm going to start screwing down the panels. And we use a screw pattern of every 10 inches square, we put we put a screw. And so basically the pattern is 5 across and then every 10 inches along the length. And that'll be 1 to each end, 1 in the center, and then 1 halfway between the center and the edge on each of the rows of screws. And then we step, after we lay the panels down into the mortar, then we walk over the panels there to make sure that they are pressed down into the mortar all across the panel. Excuse me. So Mitch is mixing up another batch of mortar. He's going to do that last row there, and I am busily screwing the panels down, trying to keep up with him. And so we work as a team like this all the time, trying to keep productivity up, and it works well. We work well together. Lots of experience doing that. And in a minute here, it's going to start getting a little too hot for me, so I'm going to lose the vest and just go around in the long sleeve t-shirt. So Mitch is mortaring down that last row, and I'm finishing up the last couple of panels. And there goes the panel, tamping it down. I already measured the end one for Mitch. He's going to hand that to me in a second, and I'll lay that down, or actually he's going to lay it down. I'm just about to screw in the last panel in front of me there. And there goes the last panel. Then Mitch is going to cut one small thin strip that goes halfway under the door into the room. And that's how we do the transition from the tile to the oak that's going to be in the little hall space there. And the tile and oak will meet halfway under the door. And the height of the tile with the 1/4" Durock, the tile, which is about 3/8, and then up against the oak floor will be pretty close. And so we'll have a transition piece that blends the two floors together. And then since they are under the door, you only see them when the door is open. So Mitch is vacuuming the floors now, getting up all the debris from when you screw the panels down. They kind of have little pieces of cement break loose from the panels, so you have to clean that up. And right now what he's doing is rolling out the fiberglass mesh tape over all the seams, and that's what his batch of mortar is for. He's spreading that, and I just showed you my piece of maple bar. Okay, so we're just about to finish up here. Mitch is mortaring away all the seams or joints, and I'm putting down the last couple of screws in there. So it's a good project. We like doing these tile floors, and this will give a nice good flat substrate to put the tile on, and it'll look good when everything is all done. Today's a big day for delivery. We've got all of our floor tile for the upstairs bathroom. There are all the trim rings for our can lights, right about 30 of them. That's our bull nose. This here's our floor tile for the shower stall. Can't really open that, it's upside down. And then we've got 7 doors, all bagged up and strapped in. 4 fire doors, 3 interior doors. Okay, so this is going to be fun to unload. It's kind of heavy stuff. The fire doors are solid core, and this tile is heavy. Thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you're finding something interesting and useful from them. Please do click the like button, and if you'd like to be notified of future video content, you're invited to subscribe. These are a couple of pictures of the house from beginning to current. Thanks for watching.